guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is another perfume video, but I'm excited about this. But before we get into that, I want to talk to you guys again about a company that I love called Dossier. Now, Dossier is a company that has affordable high-end perfumes at a fraction of the cost. So if you're like me, you love perfumes and you want to try them all out without breaking the bank, Dossier is definitely the company that you need to check out. Now, they do have a welcome offer for up to 20% off on the website. But if you use my coupon code, you can get an additional 30% off. Of course, all of this information is going to be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So Dossier has a new payment method that's going to allow you to earn $10 worth of store credit. So what you're going to do is you're going to select Catch at the end of your checkout. And I also want to mention that for every order that you make, you're going to get 10% in store credit. That is actually really ideal for people who love to collect perfumes. So you're always earning enough to be able to get whatever next perfume that you are eyeballing that you want to purchase. And you guys, excuse my eye. No makeup on today because I don't know if you can tell, but my eye is red. I don't even know why. It might be allergies, unfortunately. But anyways, so the two scents that I have chosen this time around, this one is called Ambery Vanilla. So this one is inspired by YSL, and YSL is Black Opium Eau de Parfum. The top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. I didn't even know that was a thing. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and then the base notes cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. Like most of the scents that I pick, this has a very musky smell, but you can also smell the pepper that they're talking about. If you've ever opened like a fresh thing of pepper, it's like this aroma, and that's exactly what I smell. As far as the other things, definitely floral. This one was probably my favorite of the two. And as I've mentioned before, what I love about Dossier's perfume bottles is that the tops are magnetic. So that's my favorite thing of all time. And then the next one that I have, this one is called Floral Marshmallow. So this one is inspired by Killian's Love Don't Be Shy Eau de Parfum. The top notes, excuse me. So the top notes are marshmallow. I didn't even know that was a thing. Like an actual scent. Who would have thought marshmallow? Neroli, bergamot. So the middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. I don't know what that is. And then the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. This is definitely more on the sweeter side, but it's still like a really nice smell. This one I would definitely recommend for teenagers because it's just a very sweet smelling scent. It's not extra strong. And yeah, those were the two that I picked at this time around. So again, if you guys want to check out Dossier, I'm going to have all that information in the description box below. Don't forget to use my coupon code so you can save on your coins. So the two perfumes that you see in the titles that I want to show you guys, these are actually gifted from my husband for our wedding anniversary. And this is by Moschino. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce these. So if you know, please let me know in the comment section below. But these are like really cute. And he knows that I love perfume, especially like collecting them. So these are the two that he gifted me. And the bottles are just so cute. So let me show you. And then we're going to go over the notes for those. So this one, as you can see, it literally looks like a bottle of, what's it called? What is that? Windex. This looks like a bottle of Windex. It's literally the cutest thing. And me not knowing, I just assumed you push this to spray the perfume. You know, you had to take that off. You spray it just like any other perfume. It's so cute. So this says Fresh Couture by Moschino is a floral fruity fragrance for women. This was launched in 2015, and the top notes for this are bergamot, mandarin orange, and ylang ylang. The middle notes are peony, raspberry, and osmanthus. I don't know what that is. And the base notes are ambroxan, woodsy notes, and patchouli. So this one is definitely more of like a fresh smelling perfume, and you could definitely smell like citrus. This is basically like, it's a clean smell, and it's not heavy, it's very light, but it's really, it's a nice smell. And this second bottle is just like my favorite. Sorry, my back itches. This one. This one, let's talk about it. So this is called Gold Fresh Couture by Moschino. And this is a floral, fruity fragrance for women. This one was launched in 2017. And the top notes for these are pear, mango, white peach, rhubarb leaf, mandarin orange, and grapefruit. I think this is the first perfume that I've seen with so many top notes, because I'm used to seeing like 3 top notes, but this perfume has more top notes than I'm used to seeing. The middle notes are orchid, jasmine, and lily of the valley. Didn't even know lily of the valley was a scent. That is hilarious. And then the base notes are vanilla, musk, cagalawood, I don't know if I'm saying that right, sandalwood, and patchouli. This one is definitely stronger. I don't even think I mentioned, but yeah, this is definitely stronger. I think I like this one over this one. I mean, I like both of them, but this scent in particular, because it's so different, I don't know, I'm just drawn to this one. Also, this is a eau de toilette, and this is a eau de parfum. So like I've mentioned before, perfumes are stronger and they last on you longer. Toilettes are always reminiscent of like body sprays. So I can see me spraying this like on a day-to-day basis, and then me using this for like special occasions, or I can wear it to work. I mean, you can wear it whenever you want to, but perfumes I'm always careful with, just because I don't want to use them up on the same level as like a body spray or whatever. But yeah, I just thought these were really cute, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing these. So that is all that I have for you. Basically, that's all that I have for you for this particular video. Just yeah, anyhow. So in the comment section below, let me know if you guys have seen these 2 particular perfumes, if you own them, which ones are your favorite. There is another one that I saw. It's a pink one that I'm eyeballing, because I feel like I need to complete the collection now. I think there's only 3, but I need to do some more research on that. But yes, let's talk in the comment section below. What do you think about these? Do you have them? Which ones are your favorite? And yeah, as always, you guys, if you enjoy this video, please make sure you thumb it up, press subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget that notification bell so you can be notified the next time that I do upload. And until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.